So we're about to hoist the dinghy up onto the davit, but you can see it's quite twisted here. Now, it's actually impossible to untwist it just by trying to twist it. So I'm going to show you how to untwist it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take it off, little connection there, and then what we've got to do is we've got to flip this inside itself. Like that. Right, and then that, once you chase that up, that'll actually take a twist out. So, last little flip, right there. And then what you'll find is it's completely taken out. You might think that you can just twist the lines around, but it's not. You actually have to do this little flip inside. It might take a couple of seconds just to figure it all out. There you go. Perfect.